Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got something special here with me. I've got the Shirogorov F95 Slim Nudist here with me for a quick unboxing and quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So, classic Shirogorov black box, then you're gonna have, of course, your Shirogorov black cloth right over here, and also this is an old one from 2017. This is the F95 Nudist in Vanax 37 anodized titanium multi-row bearing system. That's just the old certificate of authenticity. You also have the Russian one like this, which is always cool to have because you know that this guy came from Russia. And here you have the very cool version of the F95 Slim Nudist. It's a very beautiful knife, one of my favorite blades, classic from Shirogorov. This is gonna be around $900, but you cannot find this anymore. This is discontinued, and it's quite rare, if you ask me, to find this very specific model made in Russia. Overall length is around 9 inches with 5-inch long blade and 4-inch long, 5-inch long handle and 4-inch long blade. So not a small one. It's a beautiful titanium frame lock, guys. It's a classic. This is just gorgeously done. Internal skeletonization, beautiful chamfering, nice milling lines. Of course, you've got a drop point blade, 30% belly. This is Vanax 37 steel, so super clean, super steel, employed for this beauty right here. Just one standoff. It's there's no backspacer that you can find only in the newest version of the F95. It's a frame lock. You have a stainless steel lock face insert. Really cool sound. Classic Shirogorov opening and closing sound. Can't go wrong. You hear this, yeah. It's a Shiro deploying, so at least I could recognize this blindfolded. That's my assumption. Let's check the weight of this guy because there's some skeletonization going on. It's titanium frame lock, and the overall length of this guy is going to be 4.3 ounces. So it's pretty good in my books, and it's a nice one. I mean, the sound is fantastic. The ergonomics are just good. Zero hotspots. This area here, it's truly gorgeous, like comfortable, easy to disengage the lock bar. It's the flipper tab. It's very nicely designed. You can easily do a light switch, a push button like that. It's gonna always fire. I mean, you can misfire like easily like that, but like I can do this to any knife. So this deployment is beautiful. Flipper tab, fantastic. Great jimping going on over here. Maybe I would have preferred a little bit more jimping going on over here. Titanium pocket clip with one chamfer over there. Multi-row ceramic ball bearings. Super smooth deployment. And look at the closing action. Oh my god. This is a gorgeous knife, guys. I'm telling you. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.